Meaning of fearful.
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 Fearful. Fearful is an adjective that describes feeling or showing anxiety, nervousness, or apprehension about something. When someone is fearful, they may experience physical symptoms such as trembling, sweating, or a racing heartbeat. They may also avoid the object of fear or act defensively. Fearful situations can be real or imagined and can range from mild discomfort to extreme terror. Whether related to perceived threats in the environment or emotional distress, fear is a natural response that helps protect us from danger but can also become debilitating if left unchecked.